all you viewers to be named later, how we doing today? Man, we got some new from Kershaw. That's right, as you can tell by that thumbnail, title, whatever else you clicked on, today we're taking a look at the Parsec. Now, what I thought was cool is, because I've purchased from Kershaw before, and by the way, here she is. It really reminds me right off the bat of the Reverb for some reason, and when I saw that, I went, oh dear God, tell me it's not a bottle opener! And thankfully it wasn't. But because I've bought stuff online from them before, and I signed up for their email notifications, they had a flash sale. And out of the items in there, this was the only one that I went, okay, I can see myself, bringing that to the channel, grabbing it, and having a little bit of fun with it. Fits pretty cool in the hand. I do like some of the parts on here that I'm going to talk about in a moment. I especially like the fact that that is not a bottle opener. Oh, sweet baby Jesus, thank you. All right, let's get into the stats and the fun stuff like we usually do. Now, it's got an overall length of about 7.10 inches. The blade is about a flat 3, which means closed, it's roughly about 4.10 inches. It's got a minor weight to it of 3.50 ounces. Now, they do call that a drop point style, which, I don't know, kind of looked a little spear point to me, but what do I know? Kershaw calls it a drop point. It has a plain edge with flat grind and a brownish stonewash finish all over everything on the blade itself. The blade steel itself is a great budget steel of 8CR13 MOV. We do have a stainless steel frame, like I said, with the brownish stonewash finish everywhere. A frame lock, as you can easily see. It is a flipper open, and it's kind of, goes out pretty smoothly, because it's got that KVT, Kilo Victor Tango, ball bearing pivot. Now, you can carry this thing right, left-hand carry, and it is only tip up. It is a very deep seat in your pocket. Seriously, it really is. You're kind of grabbing from here to get it out. So I may have closed that off and put a lanyard hole in there somewhere, but that's just me. Now, it is made in China, but it was initially designed here in the good old US of A. And they want you to know it does come with Kershaw's limited lifetime warranty. Alrighty, now let's get to the cut tests that we like to do here on the channel. We usually do 3 of them, and if you're curious why I'm doing these 3, take a look right up there. There's going to be a card for why I do the cut tests. Now give me one moment. If I was a little bit smarter, shut up, Bill Rivers. I had this thing ready to go. Alright, first up, like we usually do, heavy duty stock paper. And yeah, I recycle my show notes. Ooh, that sound. Hardly any snowfall. Well, there's some. All right, let's try to get us a curlicue. Man, I'm having one of those days. Okay. Success. Now, there's a big reason why I try to get those. As I've said in other videos, anybody can just come along and go sharp. But if you drag that blade along nice and slow, maintain your edge angle. Of course, peeled right off. But something like that should happen. The paper should kind of curl back in on itself like that. Neat little curlicue or pigtail, whatever you want to call it. That's the way it's going to show you there's really no micro abrasions, pits, chips, anything else on that blade. And it's still pretty much good to go. Now right there, I can see some paper. So, okay. Oh God, we're at that point. Hell, paracord, the struggle test. And thankfully today, guys, I was able to harvest from that batch the last bit of paracord. So pretty soon I'm going to be able to move on to the next batch. All right. You want to bet at home if I smack the camera or not? Here we go. Yep, kind of cooked it. But it went through. Not as clean as I'd like, but it went through. Sorry for all of you wearing 3D glasses. I was not trying to punch you in the face. Slice test. Look at that. That is, yeah, that's not clean. Yeah. But still. All right. The man of the hour, the tower of power, Mr. Ratchet Strap. That was funny. I said Mr. Ratchet Strap, and the kids outside are going, ah! Pretty clean right through. All right, let's just do what we usually do. Take a look at that blade. I'm not seeing any real problems on there. Not seeing a lot of snowfall or anything else, so I'll go with that. All right. Now, I did the homework and all this fun stuff on this guy. on August 11th, 2021, and it's August 13th, 2021 when I'm filming this video. Like I said, I bought this in a flash sale from Kershaw for $29.99. I found it over on Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. Those prices are current as of August 11th, 2021. On Amazon, $37.04, and it is Prime eligible. On Kershaw, it's $64.99, and on Blade HQ, it's $39.95. Now, it's been reviewed 4 times on Blade HQ for a 3.5 out of 5 star rating, twice on Kershaw for a 5 out of 5 star rating, and 66 times for a 4.5 out of 5 star rating on Amazon. I know, save the Amazon hatred, okay? But with that fun stuff being said, ready for it, guys? Ready for it? I gotta get like one of those little soundboards and get that drum roll. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Do you think this one's a noise or an F-bomb? Noise or an F-bomb? I really want to know. Like I said, thank God that wasn't a bottle opener, because if it was a bottle opener, I'd been like, fuck you. But it's not bad to carry. I like it as part of my Gentleman's Blade collection. Got a little futuristic look to it. Little neat. Alright, now moving that stuff along. For you first-time viewers of my channel, I just want to say, hey, thanks so much for watching this video. Now, if all you guys liked what you saw, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to help trigger that algorithm and help this channel out in the long run. It's absolutely free. Like I said, for you first-timers, I want to thank you so much. I know we do things really, really differently here, and thanks for giving me some of that time. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers who have yet to subscribe, well, my question's why not? Why don't you leave me a comment right down below what I can do to earn your subscription? You never know what you can suggest that, well, might actually change the course of history of this channel. Now, after you've done all that fun stuff, I'm going to ask you for a couple more things, okay? It's all free, don't worry. Take a look right down there in that corner. You're going to see a big channel symbol popping up here in just a moment. That's going to take you right to subscribe. See, one click easy access. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please destroy that little bell icon that's right next to it. Why? Great question. Because that's going to let YouTube notify you, my amazing viewer, every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of those videos that we love so much on YouTube, 2 will be popping up over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my current catalog that they feel is going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Kershaw Parsec. Thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and I'll see all of you in our very next video.